First off, it's an honor and a privilege to get a chance to be the head football coach for the University of Illinois.
You want to sell, the new day of your program, and that's what we've been doing.
From my time up north, I had an opportunity to look at our university from afar and just really kind of believe in what it stood for. Great academics and a lot of potential with our football team. Full acceptance from day one. From my initial meeting, they've embraced everything we've asked them to do. The message from them has been, Coach, tell us what we need to do. And as a coach, that's all you want. You want guys to buy in right away and give you a chance. We feel like we have a formula, we have a plan for winning football. We all have a history, and our players have embraced that on everything we've asked them to do. Speaking with our fans, our alumni, letting them know about, the new day. As there's a rebirth of our program.